Feeling completely overwhelmed by a massive collection of photos, whether it's thousands of digital files scattered across devices or boxes of printed photos gathering dust, the thought of organizing it can feel impossible. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all at once. By breaking it down into simple, achievable steps, you can finally get control of your collection without the stress. In this video, I'll show you how to start and keep going, plus key techniques for sorting efficiently. And stick around to the end for a bonus tip that will help make the process even smoother. How to start and keep going. The biggest mistake people make when tackling a large collection is trying to do it all at once. Instead, follow these tips to make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Break large projects into manageable steps. Instead of thinking of your entire collection as one giant mess, break it into smaller, manageable tasks. Focus on one device, one box of photos, or 1 year at a time. If working digitally, start with a single folder of a specific group of files, like Phone Photos 2023. For printed photos, go by theme, event, or time period, rather than dumping everything into one pile. This way, each session feels productive rather than frustrating, and you'll see progress much faster. Set achievable goals. It is easy to get discouraged if your goals are too big. Instead of saying, I need to sort all of my photos, try I'll organize 1 month's worth of photos today. I'll clear out screenshots from my phone this week. I'll scan 50 printed photos in this session. Small wins keep you motivated and build momentum. So set clear, realistic goals that you can tick off as you go. Start with the least emotive photos. Sorting through emotional memories like family holidays or loved ones who have passed can slow you down. Start with less sentimental categories first. Start with screenshots, receipts, random downloads. These are easy to delete. Then event photos, landscapes, or travel shots. These are a bit easier to sort. Only then move on to the personal and family moments. Save those for later once you've got into the groove. By beginning with low emotion photos, you'll build confidence and decision-making skills, making it much easier when you reach the meaningful ones. Gather as much as you can, but just start. One of the biggest roadblocks is thinking I need to collect every single photo before I begin. Yes, eventually you want everything in one place, but don't wait. Start organizing with what you already have. Because, trust me, you will keep finding more. Begin the process with whatever is most accessible and build from there, a little and often, to avoid burnout. Spending an entire weekend organizing photos sounds great, but it's also the fastest way to burn out. Instead, work in short, regular bursts. Just doing 15 to 30 minutes a day is better than exhausting yourself in one long session. Make it part of your weekly routine. Sort while making a coffee or watching TV. Keep a sort later folder for quickly dumping unsorted files, so you're always chipping away at the collection without pressure. Making photo organizing a habit rather than a one-time event is the key to long-term success. If you're struggling with managing your photo collection across different devices, figuring out what's backed up and trying to keep everything organized, then you might want to check out my Photo Mess Success courses. They are designed to help you get every photo into one place, declutter your library, and create a system that actually works without the stress of losing anything important. If that sounds like something you need, you can check them out at photomesssuccess.co.uk, where I will take you from photo mess to mastery one step at a time. But for now, let's get back to some top tips. Getting into the detail. Once you've built momentum, it's time to refine your collection and put good systems in place. Digitize printed photos first for easier sorting. It is much harder to spot duplicate or similar printed photos when they're in stacks or albums. Digitizing them first makes sorting much easier. To do this, you can use a high-speed scanner like the Epson Fast Photo to scan large batches quickly. Once digitized, use duplicate detection software like PhotoSweeper for the Mac or Duplicate Cleaner Pro for the PC to find and remove duplicates. Even though these tools aren't perfect, they will significantly speed up the deduplication process. If you're dealing with printed photos, this one step alone can transform how quickly you get organized. Keep a simple, scalable folder structure. The key to long-term photo organization is a structure that grows with your collection. A simple and an effective setup could be a main folder, like photos, then by year, so 2022, 2023, then by event or theme, so Emma's birthday or summer holiday. This keeps things clean, chronological, and scalable, whether you're managing a few hundred photos or a few 100,000 photos. Use folder names to make files searchable. Now, building on your scalable folder structure, really have a think about those folder and file names. If you want to find photos easily without searching through endless folders, naming conventions are everything. Instead of having files called image12345, use 2023-07 Emma's birthday party. If you're sorting by event, make sure you name your folders clearly. So 2023-07 Emma's birthday, not just birthday or party. And if you have family members who share photos, add some additional detail like mum's photos or dad's photos. This can help differentiate sources. By using descriptive files and folder names, you make your collection naturally searchable without the need of fancy software. Tag and keyword, but only after sorting. Keywording and tagging are powerful tools, but only if you've already done the basic sorting. So don't think that you need to do everything all at once. Sort first, then start simple. People, places, events. If you're using software like Lightroom, apply metadata in batches to speed up the process. Don't stress about getting it perfect. The main goal is to have broad categories that make retrieval easier. Remember, sorting comes first, details come later. Avoid getting stuck on tagging before your collection is organized. Bonus tip, make a best-of album as you go. And here's my game-changing tip. While sorting, create a best-of album where you save your absolute favorite photos. This can be the top 100 of each year or just your most meaningful moments. Use the heart or star feature in your Photos app to mark these as you go. This makes it super easy to find and enjoy your best photos without digging through your entire archive. It's a great way to create a quick access collection of the photos you love the most without waiting until the end of your organizing process. And that's how you tackle large photo collections without feeling completely overwhelmed. Remember, break it down, set small goals, and work consistently. Once you have a system in place, it gets easier every time. But what if you want to digitize all those printed photos but don't know where to start? Then check out this little video next. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more photo organizing tips. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.